Is sending money internationally a nightmare? Hey everyone, have you ever been stuck trying to send money to a friend or family member overseas? Maybe it's a birthday gift for a niece in Canada, or helping out a parent snowed in down in Australia. We all know the struggle. International money transfers can be a confusing mess of fees, delays, and a mountain of paperwork. So, what if there was an easier way? An app that lets you send money internationally with the same ease as splitting a pizza bill with your friends? Well, that's the promise of services like Zelle. But hold on a second. Before you download the app and start firing off cash around the globe, there's a crucial question we need to answer. Can you actually use Zelle internationally? Let's dive in and find out exactly where Zelle works and explore some great alternatives if you need to send money beyond its borders. The All-American Transfer Service. Alright, so the short answer is no, Zelle is not currently available for international transfers. That's right, for now, Zelle is strictly a US-based service. To use it, both you and the person you're sending money to need to have bank accounts in the United States. This means no sending birthday cash to your bestie in Brazil or topping up your uncle's travel fund in Thailand. There are a few reasons behind this limitation. Zelle relies on a network of participating U.S. banks, and the whole system is designed for quick and easy transfers within the country. International transactions involve currency conversions, different banking regulations, and, well, a whole lot more complexity. So you need an international option? No sweat. But fear not, globetrotting financial gurus. Just because Zelle isn't an option doesn't mean you're stuck. There are a whole range of fantastic services available to help you send money internationally. Here are a few of the top contenders. Wise, formerly TransferWise, this online giant has carved a niche for itself with its focus on low fees and transparent pricing. You'll always know exactly how much your recipient will get before you hit send. WorldRemit, this service is a great option for sending money to friends and family in developing countries. They offer a variety of fast and convenient ways to get your cash where it needs to go, including mobile top-up and cash pickup. PayPal, the granddaddy of online payments, PayPal allows you to send money internationally in most countries. While fees can vary, it's a familiar and user-friendly option for many. Your bank, don't forget about your trusty bank. While international wire transfers can be a bit more expensive, they offer a secure and reliable way to send larger sums of money. Choosing the right international money transfer service. Alright, so with all these options on the table, how do you pick the best one for your needs? Here are a few factors to consider. Destination, where exactly are you sending the money? Some services may specialize in certain regions or countries. Amount, are you sending a small birthday gift or a larger sum to help out a loved one? Fees can vary depending on the amount you're transferring. Speed, do you need the money to arrive ASAP, or are you okay with a slightly longer wait time? Many services offer express options for a fee. Convenience, how comfortable are you with using the service's app or website? Look for something user-friendly and with good customer support. Exploring the future of Zelle, will it go global? So, the question remains, will Zelle ever expand its services internationally? The truth is, we don't know for sure. The company hasn't made any official announcements about future plans. However, with the growing demand for easy international money transfers, it wouldn't be a surprise to see Zelle explore this possibility in the future. The takeaway, there's a world of options beyond Zelle. While Zelle might not be your knight in shining armor for international money transfers, there are plenty of fantastic alternatives out there. By considering your destination, amount, speed requirements, and personal preferences, you can find the perfect service to get your money where it needs to go, no matter where in the world that may be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.